In this video, I will demonstrate how to set up and run a YouTube data ETL pipeline using Apache Airflow and MongoDB. This pipeline extracts video data from YouTube based on topic, process it, and load it into MongoDB. Before I start the Airflow, let me introduce some Python files here. So these three Python files are loaded under the Airflow decks folder. The first one, the YouTube deck. This file mainly to create a task that will run in the Airflow deck. So mainly it will be two tasks. Task one, fetch the YouTube data, and task two, load the data to MongoDB. So in task one, in this fetch YouTube data Python file, in this function, it will read the topic from the topic text file and fetch the YouTube data and save it as a Python JSON file. In the task 2, load data to MongoDB. So first, it will load the JSON file to MongoDB after we build the connection with MongoDB. Yeah, it will check the JSON file if the JSON file exists. If not, then fetch the data. After that, it will load the data from the JSON file, insert it into MongoDB, and delete the JSON file. So later we will, in the first task, we will see a topic, which is earthquake text file appearing here. Then in the task 2, once it load the data to MongoDB, the JSON file will disappear. Okay, so let me start the Airflow. So in my terminal, I'm already in my virtual environment. Okay, let me initialize the Airflow database. Okay, after that, I will start the Airflow web server on the port 8081. Okay, then I start another terminal to start the Airflow scheduler. So after that, we'll go into this localhost 8081. And let me log in. Okay, now I'm already in the Airflow. And let me search the assignment YouTube. And in the graph, so here's two main tasks I described just now, fetch the YouTube data and load the data to MongoDB. Let me start to trigger the deck. Okay, it's running the start. After that, I fetch my data, so you can see there's a earthquake text file just loaded, but it deleted immediately, right? And we can see in the deck flow, it comes to the end. So that means that the JSON file is already loaded into MongoDB. So let me open the MongoDB and I'm going to refresh the connection. Yeah, we can see there's a YouTube data and I'm going to check it. We can see all the requirement fields, the ID, video ID, title, description, etc. are loaded here. And I have loaded 100 rows into the database. Yeah, in this function, it's called get your YouTube data. So here I build the connection with the YouTube API. Right, then fetch the video data, YouTube video data, scrape the data from YouTube according to the topic. Yeah, that's all for the assignment 1.